Hello, this is Cedric Green, and Happy New Year's to everyone. And I hope this is a best year than last year and all that. But today, right now, I'm finna make a big change, though. Something more exciting than forever, you know. Can y'all guess what it's gonna be? Something I've been saying in my other videos, you know. And guess what? It concerns this thing right here that never worked right, you know. But check this out, y'all. I'm finna put my baby right here, right there. That's what I'm talking about. It's time for a change. I'm finna take this controller off and probably disconnect these wires and take this switch out and take this rectifier out and mount it somewhere up here. I probably have to move some stuff, you know. And I might could still use this selector switch right here. But I'm gonna put this rectifier probably up there somewhere. I'm gonna clear all this out from here all the way to the bottom of my Outback, you know, and put my baby right here underneath, right here. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. That's what I'm gonna do right now. So all these components need to come off. I got to reroute the wires and stuff from a wind turbine to come to this controller and get this thing right here off the wall. It doesn't work no more and stuff. This is my schematic diagram, how I'm gonna do it. So let's get started. All right, let's start taking these components off. All right, I'm gonna start taking them off. But first, before I start taking these components off, I'll make sure everything's turned off so I won't get no back feed or electrocuted or having short circuits like from the wind turbine. Make sure the main batteries are shut off so I won't get no kickback or anything. All right, make sure these are off. Off that. And now we can begin. from the knife switch up above. There we go. And the rectifier. Okay. Just about fit under there. As you can see, under my FlexMax 8. I just got to move these wires into another hole. These down here can stay. I got enough room down there to fit over it. Okay. I had to take my sideboard off so I can get on the side of it, get to the wires. See in there, I got all my wires in there onto my charge controller, and this is the wire from my knife switch right there for number 2. This right here, and this what goes to my dump low resistor up right there. See right there? Thick wires. I'm gonna have to make them come out this hole right here. And I probably need to move these components up so I can put my rectifier kind of right in here somewhere. All right, let's do that. Over as far as I can. It'll be a perfect fit right there. Right there. I just got to move these two over too. Probably have to take this loose or wire. Take this off. Now right in this area, I got to take these loose and move them up. Put this rectifier probably somewhere in here, maybe like this, or like that, okay? So like that. I'll move those up if I can. Save these screws. I do just kind of move these up if I can. These wires here kind of stiff. We'll take these off. These two right here. Two PV module wire. Might can come through the side right here. Right here. Put this up here. Probably my best bet. And then this can go up there, right here. Some kind of way. And put my rectifier right here. Alright. Okay, I got the rectifier and the main switch for the FlexMax 80 and the solar array selector switch up on the wall in the selected area. Okay, now I'm gonna work on this side, the DC side, going to the Midnite Classic. Oh, yeah. All right, I took the cover off, as you can see right here on my Midnite Classic. As you can see, 150. Now I'm finna get ready to mount it on the wall right here underneath the FlexMax 80 some kind of way. And I'm finna put a hole right here so the wires can go in on the side though. And this is where the DC gonna come out right here and go back in behind the wall and come out here into the Midnite Classic. All right, I got it kind of where I want it on the wall underneath my FlexMax 80, a Midnite Classic 150. I'm trying to decide, should I go and drill the holes right there or come in? Well, that's best of that was for the back, for the holes there, for the wires. I probably just have to go and drill the hole for the wires. All right, I'm hooking up the rectifier right now using some thicker wire I had laying around with some connectors, as you can see, to send the DC all the way down out this other hole. I just drilled this extra hole for the extra wires. I had to remove the charge controller so I can get the hole drill and the wire stuck through, wired in through this hole from the rectifier, as you can see. I'm gonna plug this in and get this adjusted right. All right, I finally got the wires through and hooked to the Classic 150, as you can see, from the extra hole in the wall. It's coming out right here to the rectifier right there. The DC side, and this is the AC side coming from the knife switch up there. So it's going great. It's going great. Now I'm gonna hook the battery cables to it so I can boot up. So I can turn on. Yeah, as you can see. All right, I got all the power wires and the wire from the rectifier coming on down, connected to the Classic 150. Now I'm finna try it out and see if what's gonna show on the screen. All right, I'm gonna put this faceplate back on. All right, it's going good. It's going great. Oh wow, look at that, everybody. Look at that. My Classic and the FlexMax 80 together. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. I have it all hooked up. Now I'm finna turn it on and try it out. I got to make some minor adjustments to hook these wires back and stuff. Turn it on and try it out. Man, this is great. This is great, everybody. My Midnite Classic 150. Teaming up with the FlexMax 80 on the wall. You know what I'm talking about? All right, everybody, this is the moment. Finna turn on for the very first time my Midnite Classic 150. I turn on the power right there. Then I turn this to number 2 right there, because this is considered number 2 and that's number 1 up there from the wind turbine. Here we go. Flicker the switch. Oh man, that's my baby. She is running. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Look at her. Look at her. My Classic. It's running. It's on. That's what I'm talking about. See nothing coming in because it's nighttime right now. It's late after midnight today. I really can't test this until we get some wind though. I just want to see how it's gonna do in the wind. Oh man, that's what I'm talking about, everybody. It's on. That's my baby on the wall. Now all I got to do is go to settings and set this up where it'll be right. But I'm gonna need wind for me to use the settings on this though. I'm a Midnite Classic 150. Teaming up with the FlexMax 80 on the wall. It's for the solar, and this is for the wind turbine, you know. I can also have this on, I can put this on solar, but I mainly got this for the wind though, just to see. I may put it on solar also, but I might need a different selector switch, you know. I'm probably hook this one up so I can switch between solar and wind turbine for the Midnite Classic, you know. That's what I'm talking about. But man, I'm glad I got this piece of junk off my wall. It never worked right. It did when I first got it, then it just started messing up, and I had some problems with it and stuff. So I'm glad I made the best decision ever to get a Midnite Classic. I'm talking about y'all. We still got some more testing to do, you know, so yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The new look for 2024, you know, man. And sooner or later, I'm gonna start putting these Vision batteries together. I got plenty of them. Still got some more I need to buy from the store, you know, from my favorite store. I need to buy from my favorite store. All right, I got it all mounted on the wall, hooked up and everything, and all the wiring back where they're supposed to be, and all the components associated, all connected back. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Look at that. It's my baby right there. Oh yeah. So let's turn it on and see how she works. Turn this on. So full 27.4 volts in the Vision batteries in the battery box. And I get over here, flick this on. For the wind, that's the wind turbine switch right there. And then I use this selector switch to either select the Midnite Classic or that one up there, you know, for the wind turbine. So if I switch it to 1, it's gonna go to the up here to number 1 up there. Come straight from the wind turbine through the nice switch and everything. But right now we ain't got no wind blowing, so I really can't show you the operation of it and what it produced. And so if I switch to number 2, it's gonna turn the Midnite Classic 150 on right there. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Mama mia, my baby is on. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Look at 27.3 volts. Almost accurate to this voltmeter right here. But unfortunately, nothing coming in because we got no wind now. So So I need some wind, a day that's windy for me to really show you what this thing does, what this Midnite Classic does, you know. Maybe later on this year I might try to, I might not do it though. Have the Midnite Classic doing solar too, you know. But that's probably maybe unlikely. But if I do, it's worth a try, you know. So this is it, y'all. This is it. It's my babe on the wall. Midnite Classic 150. Welcome being inaugurated in with the system right here. That's what I'm talking about. So thanks everybody for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. And Happy New Year's and hopefully a safe New Year for 2024 in the future. Alright? Sayonara, Joken, Zaijin, adios, Varashi, and sayonara, and see you in the next video.